I was then, as I told you, invited to come to New York. The invitations were more mandatory than invitational to edit the Youth Movement magazine, and I told you about Youth and Nation. And a week after I left, the FBI came because we were a left-wing Marxist organization, and they were extremely suspicious and intolerant. The whole Israel thrust faced great opposition from the State Department, and so there was an embargo on arms for Israel. So everything had to be done literally secretly. And around our collective house in Brooklyn, we had begun to assemble ambulances and sent off to collect things like radar, and so the offices were also under surveillance. Fortunately, I had left to go to Israel before the FBI pounced. Anyway, there was not much to pounce upon, and the movement survived. However, some years later, a friend of mine who was with me in the kibbutz and had been the editor previously came back to serve as an emissary, working with the youth groups. And the minute he got off the ship, he was escorted by 2 FBI agents into a little room with a bare bulb, he describes, and he was absolutely astonished at the degree of detail they had on every single movement of his life. This was he went back in 1954. I guess this was the McCarthy period. But the notion that our tiny, insignificant movement should merit such a scrutiny was an absolute shock to us. But it was a measure of the madness of the times.